Hello everyone, welcome to your 9th tutorial on QB64. Now this tutorial should be short and sweet. I'd like to brush up on something that has to do with the if statements and that I forgot to tell you about. It's called and or. So I'm going to go ahead and declare, I'm going to declare x as integer, and I'm just going to go ahead and declare y as string in case we need to use a string. I'll move my mouse out the way. And we're going to input, I'm just going to go ahead and input, give me number. And we're going to save that to x, and I'm going to input again, give me a word. And then we're going to save that into y. And of course we can do an if statement like if x equals 10, then print something to the screen. But what we can do is say if x equals 10 and y equals hello, then print the statement worked. I know I didn't capitalize it, but deal with it. Okay, and if I can type, okay. What this program does is it has a set of inputs, give me a number, save that as x, give me a word, save that as y, and if x equals 10 and y equals hello, then print the statement worked. So that's saying that both conditions have to be true. So let's go ahead and run our program. Okay, give me a number, 10, word, hello. The statement worked. Keep in mind that both x has to equal 10 and y has to equal hello for it to work. We can't just have one. For example, we can have 10, but then we can have y equal Taco Bell, and it won't work. With the and statement, both conditions have to be true in order for the statement to work. Now we can also replace this with or. This means that only one of the statements has to be true. So we can go ahead and run our program. Center this to the screen. Okay, we can have give me a number that can equal 10, and we can have Taco Bell, and the statement will work because only one of these conditions has to be true. We can go ahead and run our program again to further prove this. Give me a number, 99, and that's one condition that's false, but we give them the correct word, hello, the statement will work. But it will only work if one of these statements is true. It can also work if both of these statements are true. For example, 10, hello, and it'll still work. So it doesn't say that one statement has to work. It's just saying that one statement can be true, one condition can be true, and it will work. Both conditions do not have to be true. If you use an and, then both conditions have to be true. But if you do or, then only one of the conditions has to be true. Here, if you give both wrong answers, 55 Pizza Hut, and nothing will happen because none of the conditions were true. While with the or statement, at least one of these statements had to be true. And so this concludes this little brush up on the if statement. This is just something that you had to know. I apologize that I did not teach you this in the if statement lesson, but that's just something that kind of slipped my mind, and I had to teach you about that before we got on to the next couple of tutorials. So I hope that this benefited you in any capacity. My name is Zachary, and I bid you farewell.